Hello, it's Jeffrey Cohen, Chicago Quantum. How are you? This morning we're going to talk. It's April 11. Top dividend stocks. So the number of dividend stocks has dropped. It's amazing. The S&P 500 has started doing better and better, relatively speaking, from a risk-reward perspective. So we're down to 5 stocks that are dividend stocks for today. And so what are these stocks? Blackstone. Blackstone pays a dividend of has paid a dividend last year of 3.55% off the average. By the way, these firms paid an average of 3.46% in dividends last year. APAM, Artisan Partners, paid an 8.18% dividend last year. Carlyle Group paid 2.08% dividend last year. And these are in order of awesomeness. Qualcomm, 1.81% dividend last year, and Virtus Investment Partners coming in at 1.66%. So what does it mean for those 5 stocks? They are U.S. listed. They've traded every day, and they passed all of our stringent data validation criteria. They're liquid. They're out there. They're not penny stocks. They're not anomalies. Profitable. Net income greater than 0. So we checked. There aren't any companies that would have made this list that lost money. Efficiency, risk versus return, is better than the S&P 500 ETF, and the dividends paid were greater than holding the S&P 500 ETF. So 5 stocks: Blackstone, Artisan, Carlyle, Qualcomm, Virtus. You can find those on our website, chicagoquantum.com. Dividends. The way you find it, you come to our homepage, Chicago Quantum, you look at market questions and data, and you've either got today's best dividend stocks or top dividend paying stocks, and here you go. So a couple other things I was going to share, because I'm going to be pretty quick. So I tweeted this morning. By the way, I tweet a lot. So if you want to see what we're thinking, you probably want to be out there. It's Chicago Quantum, so original. And so I had written that overnight, China, Japan, UK, Germany equity markets were down. Oil's cheaper. U.S. Treasury yields are up. Precious metals are up. And it's funny because, you look at the news feeds, right? Yahoo News, the first word that popped out was recession. FinViz News, the first word to pop out was inflation. And then how consumer debt was less valuable. And the VIX is up. So fear is rising. So this looks to be a pretty red day, right? So the last thing I want to show you, what is a leptokurtic stock? A leptokurtic low variance stock is a stock that doesn't move very much. If you can imagine a bell-shaped curve, it would be a very tall bell-shaped curve without a lot of variance around the mean change. And one of those is Algonquin Powered Utilities, AQN. I don't know if they have options, but my guess is the options are pretty cheap. And if you look at this stock, right, it's rising. It's rising from under $14 to about $16, and that's not normal for a utility like this. PNM, same thing. PNM is New Mexico utility. You can see it dropped from almost $50 a share down to 45, and it's been climbing. These are very, very inexpensive stocks. So let's say you're an options investor novice. You just want to try things out. These are stocks that don't move very much. And so if they have a sense of direction and you feel confident, you might be able to make an options bet. Just a straight buy of puts or buy of calls. Sun Life Financial is another one. You can see here it goes up and it goes down and it goes up and it goes down and it's up and who knows. But Sun Life Financial is leptokurtic low variance. And then Hennessy Capital Investment, I think, is just a SPAC. So that one, just don't pay much mind to. And so I want to thank you for listening. This is Jeffrey Cohen. Top 5 dividend stocks on Monday, April 11. Blackstone, Artisan, Carlyle, Qualcomm, Virtus. You've got leptokurtic low variance stocks, Algonquin Power, PNM Resources, which is Power of New Mexico, and Sun Life Financial. You guys take care. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye now.